Stop paying for AI music tools like Suno, because I recently found a free AI tool that can create full songs, generate background music without vocals, and even let you monetize your music on YouTube without worrying about copyright claims. So I decided to put it to the test, and this song,
Through every storm, I keep the flame, reaching for the sky.
was created completely free using this AI tool. And the background music you're hearing underneath my voice right now was also generated completely free using the same tool. What's even more interesting is that this tool doesn't just allow you to create music for free. It also lets you post the music you create inside the platform and start building an audience there. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I created these songs, how I generated professional background music with no vocals, and later, we'll compare it with one of the most popular AI music tools on the market to see which one is actually better for content creators. Let's get started. Before we create anything, let me quickly show you what makes Treblo different from most AI music generators. Go to your browser and search for Treblo. You'll see several results, so make sure you click on the AI music platform with this logo. Once you're inside, you'll notice there's a lot happening on the screen. If it feels overwhelming, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how everything works. Now, this is where Treblo stands out. Most AI music tools let you generate a song, download it, and leave. Treblo goes a step further. Not only can you create music here, but you can also publish your music and build an audience around your creations. Take a look at the songs on the homepage. These tracks were generated by other users, and you can see their views, likes, and comments. That means people are actively creating, sharing, and engaging with music inside the platform. So instead of thinking of Treblo as just another AI music generator, think of it as a place where you can create music and potentially build something around it. Now let's create our first song and see what Treblo can do with nothing more than a simple prompt. On the left sidebar, click Create. This will open a text box where you can describe the type of music you want to generate. Here's the first thing I want you to understand. Don't treat this tool like a basic AI music generator. Treat it like a music producer sitting right in front of you. You don't need technical music terms, just describe your idea in plain English. For example, I'm going to type, "Create an inspiring pop song about chasing your dreams." Before generating, you'll notice an advanced option. We'll come back to that shortly because that's where most of the customization features live. For now, stay in simple mode and click Generate. Treblo immediately starts creating two different versions. What's impressive is that we haven't selected tags, written lyrics, or changed any settings. We're simply testing how well the AI understands a natural request. After a few moments, the songs are ready. Let's listen to the result.
Staring at the ceiling while the world sleeps. Old posters pinned to a cracked wall. Waiting for the morning tide to turn. Spent too long hanging on the ledge, running in circles for someone else. Found a compass in my chest. No more make.
Not bad at all. The AI understood the topic, created lyrics, and generated a complete song from a single sentence. But here's the important part. This is actually the lowest level of control you have inside Treblo. We gave the AI an idea and allowed it to make all the creative decisions. So what happens when we start making those decisions ourselves? We now have a song, but let's be honest, the AI still had to make a lot of assumptions. The prompt gave Treblo a direction, but it didn't tell the AI exactly what style, mood, or voice we wanted. That's where the advanced section becomes useful. Now click on the advanced option sitting next to the simple section. The first thing you'll see is the tags section. Think of tags as instructions that help the AI understand your vision. The more relevant your instructions are, the closer the final song will be to what you imagined. To get better results, follow these 4 steps and don't skip any. Step 1. Choose the music style. First, decide what type of music you want to create. Is it pop, Afrobeats, hip-hop, gospel, or rock? The style gives the AI a foundation for the song. For this example, I'll choose pop and add Afrobeats influences to give it a modern feel. Step 2. Define the mood. Next, tell the AI how you want listeners to feel while listening to this song. Do you want the song to sound emotional, energetic, relaxing, or inspirational. Since this song is about chasing dreams, I'll choose inspirational and energetic. Step 3. Add the theme. Here, you have to tell the AI what the song is actually about. Themes help keep the lyrics focused. For this example, I'll use motivation, success, faith, money. These themes help shape the message of the song. Step 4. Select the vocal type. Now choose who should sing the song. You can select male vocal or female vocal depending on the style you're creating. For this example, I'll choose male vocal. This simple setting can dramatically change the final result. Once you've selected your genre, mood, themes, and vocal type, review any additional suggestions and add only the tags that genuinely fit your idea. The goal isn't to add more tags, the goal is to add better tags. At this point, Treblo has far more information than it had during our first test, but there's still one important decision left. How should the lyrics be handled? Right below the tag section, you'll see 3 lyric options: auto lyrics, custom lyrics, no lyrics. Each serves a different purpose. Auto lyrics is the easiest option and the best place for most beginners to start. Treblo generates the lyrics automatically based on your settings. Custom lyrics is for creators who already have lyrics and want the AI to build music around their own words. No lyrics is designed for instrumental music, which is useful for content creators who need background music without vocals. For this example, we're creating a complete song and don't have lyrics of our own, so we'll choose auto lyrics and click Generate. Treblo starts creating 2 new versions. This time, the AI isn't working from a single sentence. It's working from detailed instructions about style, mood, themes, and vocalist. Once the songs are finished, let's listen.
Walking through the desert heat, I saw my dreams turn to a grain of sand.
Notice the difference. The song feels more focused because the AI has a clearer understanding of what we're trying to create. The energy matches the inspirational theme. The vocal style fits the song, and the lyrics stay closer to the message we defined earlier. This is why spending a little extra time on your settings often leads to better and more consistent results. Now, creating full songs is great, but what if you don't want vocals at all? Let's say you don't want a full song. Maybe you're creating YouTube videos, tutorials, documentaries, product reviews, or educational content. In those situations, vocals can compete with your narration. What you need is background music that supports the content without distracting the viewer. The process is almost identical to creating a song. We'll still use tags because we want the music to match our content. For example, if my channel focuses on AI tools and technology, my tags might include AI, technology, cinematic, electronic, future bass, chill, uplifting, ambient, synth, modern, corporate, innovation, background music. Don't worry about copying these exact tags. The important thing is that your tags should match your niche. A travel channel, gaming channel, fitness channel, or business channel would all use different directions. Now, here's the key step. Under Lyrics, select No Lyrics. This tells Treblo that we want instrumental music only. No singer, no chorus, no vocal performance, just background music. Once everything is configured, click Generate. Treblo will start creating 2 instrumental versions. In just a few minutes, they'll be ready. Let's listen. Notice how the music creates atmosphere without pulling attention away from the content. That's exactly what good background music should do. And because Treblo generates multiple versions, you can compare them and choose the one that fits your content best. For creators, this is extremely useful because you can generate music tailored to your niche instead of relying on generic stock tracks. Now that you've seen how both full songs and background music work inside Treblo, there's one question many people ask next. How does it compare to Suno AI? Let's put them side by side. Now, let's compare Treblo and Suno AI using the same use case. We've already created full songs and instrumental background music inside Treblo, but can we do the same thing inside Suno? Open Suno AI and click on Create. Then switch from Simple mode to Advanced mode. You'll immediately notice that Suno allows you to write your own lyrics or have the AI generate lyrics for you. However, if your goal is creating background music without vocals, the workflow isn't as straightforward as what we just used in Treblo. In Treblo, we simply selected No Lyrics, added our tags, and generated instrumental music. Now let's use the same prompt and generate music inside Suno. Switch from Advanced mode back to Simple mode, because here I didn't see anything else that we can add or configure. After that, paste your prompt right here and click on Create. As you can see, Suno AI has started generating our songs, and before moving any further, you can see that Suno AI is already asking us to upgrade for better songs. But let's continue with the free version.
I used to tuck my plans away under books and bills and out. Now I keep them in my head.
Not bad at all, but another factor worth considering with Suno is usage limits. Depending on your account and generation volume, you may encounter restrictions that require upgrading for additional access. For creators producing music regularly, that's something to keep in mind. Now compare that to the workflow we used inside Treblo. With Treblo, we were able to generate complete songs, create lyrics automatically, choose vocal styles, generate instrumental background music, publish our creations, and build engagement around our music. So the question isn't whether Suno can generate music. It can. The better question is which platform fits your workflow. If your primary goal is song generation, both tools can help. But if you want both full songs and instrumental background music within the same workflow, Treblo offers flexibility that many creators may find useful. So after seeing both workflows, which platform would you actually choose? Before you decide, there's one more thing I'd like your feedback on.
If you've been following along, you've probably noticed that tags play a huge role in the quality of the music you generate. The challenge is that most beginners know they need tags, but don't know which tags work best for their specific niche. The tags that work for a technology channel won't necessarily work for travel, gaming, business, motivation, or documentary content. Once you understand how to choose the right tags, you'll be able to generate music that feels specifically designed for your channel. So here's what I want to know. Would you like me to make a dedicated video showing you exactly how to find the best tags for any niche? In that video, I'll break down the process step by step and share a framework that can help you generate better background music much faster. If that's something you'd like to see, comment yes below. And now, I want to hear from you. Between Treblo and Suno AI, which one would you choose and why? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear which platform you're using and what your experience has been. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tools, faceless YouTube strategies, and practical tutorials that help you create more content with less effort. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.